You're looking to hang on a wall, a pole, buy a house, buy a boatyard, wherever. We're going to show you what this light's about and how to set it up. From Condrus, it's a 24,000 lumens barn LED light. It's 6,500 Kelvin, 150 watts, with 120 plus degree angle that you can hang over the house, barn, shed, boatyard, wherever you have 110 volts. It comes with everything that you need. You have here is a nice box showing you how nicely they packaged it. What we'll do is set it up outside. We'll shine it out in the yard so you get to see what it looks like and how bright it is. And we'll hang it up. You have an instruction guide that you can simply go over. It's protected with a lot of foam around. It's made of metal. It comes with a lead. It has its fins for cooling, and they're geared to lock into place. It is a plastic LED cover. You get the hardware, wire nuts, anchors, and Allen key, and you get the pole mount that you're going to put together like so. There is another box. Open up the accessories. Also nicely packaged is your angle bar that you're going to hook up. We have 2 angle bars, hardware kit of bolts, anchors, and thumb bolts, and a wall mount or pole mount. Your electric box is all hooked up and you just run your lead and connect everything up. And what we're going to do is hang this on a pole, hang it down to the yard and show you what it looks like. We'll show you what the installation is about. With the hardware kit, we're going to start to set up on the ground. Bolt, nut, and washer. Place in the thumb bolts. There are long ones and short ones. Put the short ones on. And with the pole, place on and lock into place when up. For additional height, place on and put a bolt through the short bolt. Decide the angle you're looking for and lock on. Directly to a wall or slide on. With an Allen key, loosen up each of the bolts and start to slide down till they lock into place and lock down. With the light fixture, place on, slide the bolt through, lock down, and adjust your height you are looking for. We'll bring this up and secure down. On the pole, place on, put your bolts together, and lock down. Put the height you require and secure. Tighten up with a wrench and you're good to go. Place your pole up, adjust the height, and lock the bolts down, thumb bolts that is. Wire up to your AC, load, neutral, and ground. For our demonstration purposes, we have it hung up on a pole to demonstrate and show you what the light looks like. You need to have an on and off switch in order to operate the LED light. For our demonstration purposes, we're going to light up the light during the day so you can see we are tested. I will come back in the evening hours and show you what the light looks like lit up. This is a 24,000 lumens, a bright light to hang anywhere on a wall, on a pole, outdoor by the boatyard, by the RV. You can even take it portable with the power station and hang it up anywhere imaginable. We'll come back in the evening hours and show you what it looks like. Later this evening, we have here is a 24,000 lumens IP65 barn light LED. As you can see, well lit up, lighting the whole area, 120 plus degrees in angle. It can be hung low or high. This is about 10 plus feet with the bar, and you're going to hang anywhere from 10 to 20 feet and light a nice surrounding area. You'll decide if this barn light photocell dusk to dawn is right for you. 150 watts, 24,000 lumens, 110 volts, IP65 rated. Thank you for viewing.